So these are the Egyptian symbols. So this circle up here means it's a fraction, and this number down here is going to represent the denominator, so we have 1 over. If it's going to represent the denominator, that's going to be 1 over 10. Then we see over here it's going to be 1 over 50. And over here the two spirals mean 100 each. So this is 1 over 250. So we have to find the pattern here. So the pattern is you're multiplying everything by a fifth each time. So you're multiplying by a fifth each time. So next, we're going to have 1 over 250 divided by 5. Yeah, that's one way to put it. So that's going to be equal to 1,250. So 1 over 1,250 multiplied by a fifth again. Then you're going to get 6,250. So your next two terms are going to be 1 over 1,250 and 1 over 6,250.